Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your Bank of America account. For this, first you have to open up your web browser. I have opened the Microsoft Edge. Now, in the search bar, just type bankofamerica.com and just hit the enter. Make sure it will take you to the official website of Bank of America. And on the left side of your screen, you can see the login form and just enter user ID over user ID and similarly enter your password over here. Now, if you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon. You will able to see your password. If you want to save your user ID, just click on square box. Now simply hit on login button, then you will able to log into your Bank of America account. In case if you forgot your ID or password, just click on forgot ID or password. Then you will able to access your account again. If you don't have any account in Bank of America, then just click on open a new account. Then you will able to create a new account of Bank of America. This much for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, do like, comment and share. See you in next video. Bye bye.